Am I visible, audible to you?
Yes, yeah. Ma'am, you
What?
have, yes, it is started.
Everything's fine from my side?
Yeah, it is fine from your side as well.
Okay, then we start the conversation.
So, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Arshi. How are you?
I am pretty good. And thank you for asking me. What about you? How are you doing?
I'm doing great, exceptionally good, I would say, because today is Monday and Monday is the first day of a week, right? So I feel like, yes, let's just start with some productive work so it will continue with the same.
You were busy with some, as you told me on message on text that I am unavailable till Sunday. That I will talk on Monday. So you were busy with somewhere.
Yes, I was busy with my kids, my family, because Saturday, Sunday is a family time.
Yes, I can agree. I
Yes.
totally agree. So yeah,
And
ma'am, would you like to introduce and thank you for coming on my channel. So would you like to introduce me first?
definitely, gladly. My name is Rekha Sharma, connecting you from the capital of India, Delhi. And if I talk about my expertise, I am BCom BEd and CTET qualified, and running a YouTube channel named English with RVS. My core of interest is meditation and yoga, and mother of twin baby. That is all about me.
That's good. Yeah, it's a great introduction. So yeah. So how was your morning?
My morning.
What yeah.
Yeah, earlier I was feeling a bit sluggish. Because of, I would say, weather. Now I'm feeling energetic. I recollect all my energy, and that's how is my
Do
days
you
going.
like winter? Do you like winter season?
Yes, I love winter. I like winters because if the winter season is going on, the first of all you will get a lot of vegetable to eat, right?
Variety of vegetable.
Variety of vegetable, and on top of that, I'm fond of leafy vegetable, green leafy vegetable. And on daily basis, I take carrot. Carrot is my one of the favorite food, raw. Carrot on daily basis. Without carrot, I can't start my day.
Oh my God. So do you take juice like carrot juice or you do you take like
Carrot,
salt?
only carrot in a raw form.
Okay, raw form you take. Yeah, it's good.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Because when you are taking a carrot, you are taking roughage and that nutrient of carrot, right? And it will level up your hemoglobin. That's very important.
No. Yes,
Being a
yes, you're right.
being a mother of a twin baby, I believe I need to boost my energy all on daily basis, and carrot is the best solution for it.
So, so how old they are? Like you said that you have twins baby. So now how are they old?
They are 8 years old.
3 years old.
Eight.
8 years. Yeah, I think I they have grown up little bit.
Yes, yes. You can say it. They are grown up. I'm a bit relaxed. That's why I've started my journey as a YouTuber to work on my communication skill, to impart the knowledge to my viewers, to my co-learners.
So when did you start your journey? Become a
Here,
you.
it's been a year.
Been a year.
Yes.
Yeah. So how is going on your YouTube channel? How is going on your YouTube journey? And how is going on communication journey?
Communication journey is going fabulous. And the second thing is, let's just talk about the YouTube journey. YouTube journey is also going fantabulous. I
Hmm.
don't concern about the views and all that. I just concern about that productive work, what I'm doing, what I'm providing to my co-learners. And secondary thing is the subscriber and views, right? If I have the quality, if I have the audacity to attract the people, definitely later and sooner I will attract the people, right?
Yes, sure.
What I am uploading, that is the matter of concern.
Yeah. What content we upload? That
Yes.
matter a lot. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So I would like to ask you one thing, and it's suddenly popped in my mind. These things. I'm going to ask you that what things do you make happy? What things makes you happy?
Hmm.
what do you, yeah, what you feel to do, like again and again? Which things do you feel that I want to do this thing again and again? What are the things?
The first thing is my enriched habit, that is yoga and meditation.
Mm,
If I
that's
am not, yes, if I'm not going with this activity on daily basis, I feel like gloomy, I feel like sad, something is missing out in my day. So to make myself happy, I'll go with yoga and meditation. That is the first thing. And second thing, to play with my kids, because I
mm, yeah.
have my time in two part. Morning time is belong to associated with my YouTube channel, and evening afternoon time is totally associated with my kids. So I play with them, I talk with them, and that's how I stressed out, because kids are the real stress buster.
Yeah.
And thing is, morning time and I'm early bird, wake up around 4:30, and 4:30 I and my husband sit together and try to spend some quality time sharing our views, our thoughts. That's the best time, I would say. Three things that make me happy, feel like top of the world, broke into happy dance.
So do you usually wake up at 4:30 each and every day? Is
Every
your
day, yes, it's my habit.
That's a good habit. I also wake up at four, not 4:35 a.m. I always woke up.
Great. Because when you wake up early, you feel like, first of all, you are, I feel like that when you are wake up early, you are connecting one step forward to the nature, right?
Yes.
That time environment is serene, peaceful, right?
Peaceful and air is fresh.
Yes,
Air
air
is,
is fresh.
yeah, peaceful nature, and we can enjoy. We can live that moment.
And that morning time is full of energy and full of positivity. If you want to acquire something, suppose if you are reading that time, you will feel like that you are stuffed. You wanted to read a lot, more and more. You will
You will
acquire that.
learn
uh,
every, yeah.
yes. So morning is always blessed with the positive energy.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, so again, next question. What things makes you sad, like you don't want to do this thing, once in a while, you don't want to do, you never want to do that thing, so what is the things?
I don't want to cry.
Hmm,
I
that's
don't want to cry,
nice.
but I'm an emotional person.
Mm,
If someone is saying me something bad, or someone is talking to me, with a louder voice, I get emotional. Immediately I get emotional, and my eyes filled with the tears. So I don't want to cry, because I'm not saying that, because if you are crying, some of the people have that illusion, if you are crying, that you are showing your weakness side. But
yes.
when you crying, it is not the sign of your weakness, it is a sign of your strength. You are trying to pour out, right?
Yeah,
So I don't
yeah.
want to cry, I just want to be happy. I just want to go with, the beautiful curve known as
Mm,
smile. I love to smile. I love to spread that positivity, that energy I have. Because energy is contagious.
yes. I, sometimes cry, sometimes is good, but
Mm.
not every day we are crying, we are emotional, so that thing makes I personally feel that these things make us, somewhere it things make us weak, that why we are crying every day, and what even, so that time we don't feel that I am stronger, so that time I personally feel that I am weak, why I am
Mm.
crying each day. Instead of crying, I can do other things. I can engage myself with other things, that I can divert my mind, that's how. So
Mm.
also very emotional person. Yeah, but I try to not cry,
Mm.
every day, not cry, not try to become emotional person. Now I'm trying to become a stronger person, because I need this version of
Just
myself.
sometimes what happen, if I start crying, my husband used to say me, first you cry, first you cry, right? Once you done it, then tell me, then I will come. I try to control my tears, but I can't because I'm an emotional person. I have that plethora of emotion, and I can't change myself. Even I can't pull myself together that time. So I just want to change that habit, So I don't want to cry at all. I just want to be happy, with a smile face.
Yeah. Yes, yes, it's good. It's really good. We should be like that. In front of others, we should be, we should always smile on our face. We should be happy. But when we are alone, so that time we can be emotional, we can be cry, but not in
Yes,
front of others. Yeah, we should not do these things.
yes, of course, you can sit. Sometimes I feel that I need my time. Suppose in my life, if I'm feeling very sad, I need to talk myself. Then I go to my room, I talk to myself because the best relationship is with yourself, not with
Yes.
other people, right? You need
Uh,
that intimacy. You need that intimacy to talk yourself, to talk with
mm.
yourself. Where am I going wrong? Why I'm doing this? And trying to analyze what is going wrong in
Yeah,
your
and
perspective.
no one is there for you all the time. You are always there for you. You are available all the time. So spend your time with yourself, not with others. You can spend little bit times with others, but not too much. Because in this era, we are spending lots of time with, like we are spending lots of time on social media. We are, we are posting about our emotional. We show everything, whatever we are feeling, whatever we are doing, whatever we want to do. So I
Mm.
think just to showing them, just telling them, we just tell to ourselves. We just spend time with ourselves, so that if we do these things, so that time we can grow a lot. We
Hmm.
can become a mature, and we can learn a lot. So
Mm.
that's how I feel.
Yes, absolutely true that.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah.
Anything else?
Now I think I have talked to you. I think I don't know, but yeah, but I am not getting anything that I can talk about. Yeah, but it was a really nice conversation with you, and
Same here.
I did enjoy this conversation. And yeah.
Same here. I like your question and answer, the bombardment of question answer you are throwing to me. I really like it. And the people, when they ask question, I love to answer. I just go with my heart. I never ever prepared myself. I just listen my brain, my heart, and then speak.
Yeah. Before coming on session, before coming on video, I never prepared myself for anything. I
Same
just
here.
random, and I just talk random. Whatever comes in my mind, I just to convey. I just want to speak. Otherwise, I did not. I don't. I don't write anything. What I am going to ask, what I will ask. I am making myself like this, that I will speak whatever comes in my mind. So that time I can, it's I think that's how I can increase my critical thinking that time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a great idea. The spontaneous talk that is known as spontaneous talk. You put the pressure on your brain and you start storming.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay, so Arshi, let's just wind up the session. Great, connect with you again. And whenever you are going to upload that video, please tag me so that I will also drop beautiful comments and I will subscribe your channel as well. And
Mhm.
please send me the link as well.
Sure, sure. Yeah, it was really nice conversation. And you really made me my day, because today I am feeling productive. Today I am feeling occupied. Today I am feeling content that today I did something for myself, because last week, as I said, that I was not getting people. I was not getting person with whom I can talk. So that's somewhere I was getting frustrated. Why I'm not able to get people, and I am messaging again and again. I'm texting with this many people, but some are replying me that we are not available. Some they are not replying me, but it's okay because they are busy. So we cannot say that they are always available. They are available all the time. But yeah. But now
Yes.
today I'm feeling very happy and I'm very excited to upload this video. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. If you feel like that, and pleasure is mine. It was wonderful conversation with you again. And tag me whenever you will upload. I will send you the link, and please do share your channel link because I love to support the people those who are doing by their own, right? I mean, you don't have any tag on your shoulder, so you need to pat your back first. You need to pat your
Okay.
back that you are doing everything by your own, right?
Yeah.
So my support with the people those who are doing by their own. So always.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything, whatever you said. Yeah. Thank you and bye bye. Can you
Okay.
cut? Can you disconnect this call because I'm unable?
Okay, no worries.